right, so pretty much we have an hour. What is it, an hour and a half?
What's up? What?
Hour and a half?
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half to do this. It's possible.
Dude, I believe we can do it.
I think we
I
did.
believe we can do it. We did it in 45 minutes, just putting back in the other one.
And that's not even putting in the broken one, but we got this. So you got almost the tools ready, right?
Just about. I need to get a couple more things together.
Okay.
Say about another
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
All right.
When we started.
All right, cool. All right, let's do this. But yes, this is the correct axle this time. Check that. We still need to check on this end plate. I'm pretty sure it goes in there, most likely. But, oh, give me a pair. Well, we'll cut it out when we get it. Bring a pair of cutters. So, yep. Let's do this. I need tires so bad. God. All right, so status update. We're pretty much 20 minutes in, and we already pulled the axle. Well, we didn't pull out the axle, but everything to unbolt the axle is actually already pulled out. We pretty much just need to pull everything out. But yeah, I will do a comparison because that one is destroyed. You guys didn't see it because, of course, that video got corrupted. But you're gonna see it now, though. That thing is destroyed. So are my front tires. But whatever. You know what I think it was? Probably because of this axle, it screwed my freaking front tires up.
Oh, that's a possibility. I don't know.
That could be a possibility. Because, dude, I bought these two front tires at the same time.
No, it's probably from our alignment, to be honest.
Yeah.
Because look at that front wear.
Yeah, that front wear is just... Yikes. If you do anything with your lower control arm, recommend a alignment ASAP. Yeah. Well, I'm going to go get one soon. So, yeah.
Oh, shit, I dropped my gloves.
All right, like I said, we're 20 minutes in, so we just need to pull it out. Of course, like I said, we have an hour and a half. We're good to go. This is the new one. Got it from GSP. Shout out to GSP for sending me the right one because the last company didn't send me the right one. They sent me a 2.0 Jetta freaking front axle. Whatever. Let's get this bad boy in. This was toasted. That was done. And she is fixed. We actually got the axle back in, what was it, like an hour and 20 minutes. Not bad. In and out. So we are good to go. Now we are going to be running the whole depot. So no grill life right now. We're painting our grills. So I'm actually giving him the 2 small ones because I am actually getting fogs sometime this month. So I'm just going to rock it like that. I'm just going to rock the center one. He actually painted one of them. It's come out really nice, which this one is my old one. That came off of that car. And because he got into an accident and unfortunately kind of broke both of those. So, but yeah, we're going to run over to Home Depot, get some paint, and paint these babes up. He's going to brake boost? Oh, God. Ricky's going to get fogged. Woo!
Down.
Ricky lost. Yeah, Ricky's lost.
Man, this car is so much slower with 4 people.
Ricky's out. No! Ah!
At the end. Dude,
It's
Ricky,
so tight!
I think he got him by like a fender, like
A
half
fender.
the car.
A fender.
He got him
A
from the
bumper.
top, Yeah.
A bumper.
Oh, they're going again.
U-turn! Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, Ricky, go, 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 go!
He's hilarious.
Yo, they,
Oh my god.
oh my God, why, this is sketchy. Come on! Come on, Robert, come on! Come on, Robert, come on, Robert, come on! Ah! Wait, we're reeling, reel him. Damn it, that was it?
That was a good
That was all of it? What the fuck, bro?
Dude, you're
Four,
supposed to quit, Robert. With 4 people, that whole
And you just have 2, no bolt-ons, right?
None.
just a front.
Just 2,
JB4.
just JB4.
And an AW catback, so.
Yeah, man. That's crazy, dude.
No, that's
How much
crazy.
did you pay for the JB4?
It was,
Can't even see the rays.
Yeah, we couldn't.
Who doesn't have their seatbelt on?
Probably me.
Put on your seatbelt for
Yeah, we got our seatbelts on back here.
I don't know who won between.
Yeah, I
Done,
don't know.
guys.
I couldn't tell.
All right, better.
Here we
Put up your window. Somebody put up your window.
Yeah,
Ricky,
it's
put up
right
your
here.
window. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
Not bad.
that's just dumb.
Trying to pass him on this run.
Oh, yeah.